Model, 2008 Volkswagen Transporter 102 1.9 TDI camper conversion gearbox noisy Swb No Vat. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 220,784. Engine, 1896 cc BRS 102 bhpe 4B. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Van runs and drives okay, but gearbox scrap pops out of third and whining across all gears. Gearbox needs repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. This van is partially converted into a camper with key features installed, offering great potential for a family getaway genuine honest camper van. Features: wind-up windows, alloy